Imagine you're standing at a crossroads, with multiple paths stretching out before you. Each direction holds promise, yet uncertainty lingers. You know that your choice could lead to vastly different outcomes, but how do you know which way to go? Every decision, no matter how small, has the potential to shape your future in ways you can't yet imagine. What if there was a way to navigate these decisions with confidence, avoiding the common traps that often lead us astray? Stay tuned as we explore a powerful approach that could transform the way you make decisions forever. Decisive: How to Make Better Choices in Life and Work, by Chip and Dan Heath, offers a compelling exploration into the psychology of decision-making, addressing the common pitfalls and biases that often lead to poor choices. The book emphasizes that decision-making is a process that can be improved with the right tools and strategies, rather than relying solely on intuition or experience. The authors introduce the WRAP framework, which stands for Widen Your Options, Reality Test Your Assumptions, Attain Distance Before Deciding, and Prepare to Be Wrong, as a systematic approach to making better decisions. One of the key points in Decisive is the tendency of people to narrow their choices to either or scenarios, which can limit the possibilities and lead to suboptimal outcomes. The Heath brothers advocate for broadening the range of options considered, which can lead to more innovative and effective solutions. This concept challenges the common approach of focusing on a single solution and encourages decision-makers to think more expansively. The book also delves into the confirmation bias, where individuals tend to seek out information that supports their preconceived notions, leading to flawed decision-making. To counter this, the authors suggest reality testing assumptions by considering alternative perspectives and actively seeking disconfirming evidence. This practice helps to ensure that decisions are based on a more accurate understanding of the situation rather than on biased or incomplete information. Another significant insight from Decisive is the importance of attaining distance before making a final decision. The Heath brothers highlight how emotions and short-term considerations can cloud judgment, leading to choices that might not be in one's best interest in the long run. They recommend taking a step back and considering the decision from a more detached perspective, which can help to clarify the long-term implications and lead to more rational choices. Finally, the book addresses the inevitability of being wrong at times and the importance of preparing for this possibility. The authors encourage decision-makers to anticipate potential failures and to plan accordingly, which can mitigate the impact of wrong decisions and allow for quicker recovery. This proactive approach to decision-making acknowledges the uncertainty inherent in most decisions and emphasizes resilience and adaptability. In summary, Decisive offers a practical guide to overcoming common decision-making biases and improving the quality of choices in both personal and professional contexts. By following the WRAP framework, individuals and organizations can make more informed, rational, and effective decisions, ultimately leading to better outcomes. The book is a valuable resource for anyone looking to refine their decision-making skills and achieve greater success in their endeavors.